What's the meaning of audio tape? Audio tape. Audio tape.
Audio tape. Audio tape. Audio tape refers to a magnetic tape used for recording and playing back sound. It was commonly used for music and voice recordings in the 20th century before being largely replaced by digital formats. Audio tape typically consists of a plastic film coated with a magnetic material that stores the audio signals in a linear fashion. When the tape is played back, the magnetic signals are translated into electrical signals and amplified through a speaker. Audio tape was a popular medium for music enthusiasts and professionals alike due to its relatively low cost and portability.